In this video, we'll show you how you can delete pages from a PDF on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So first head to any web browser and then search for this PDF gear tool. Now click on this first link and then click on this free download button. It's a completely free to use app without any ads. So once you have downloaded the setup file, simply click on it to run the setup file and install this PDF gear app. Once installed, head to the search menu and then type in PDF gear and then select it. Now here you need to click on this open file button and then choose the PDF from which you want to delete pages and then click on open again. Now once a PDF opens, you will see this kind of interface. So as you can see, my PDF has multiple pages. Now all you have to do is go to this page tab right here and it will show all the pages like this. Now select the pages that you want to delete and then click on this delete pages button at the top, and here select selected pages and then click on OK and then choose yes to confirm. Once you have done this, you can overwrite the existing file or save a copy. So I'll just save a copy and the file is now saved. You can even rearrange the pages like this, or you can rotate them, or you can resize the pages or even crop them. It even lets you insert new pages from here. So this is quite a handy app and better than those online tools that you may be using. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.